Does your iPhone heat up to the point where you can't use it, where it feels warm? I'm going to be showing you how you can fix that with this iPhone 12 right here. I never had that problem where it heats up with the iPhone 12. But if you have an iPhone 12 or any other phone like an Android, this will work as well. Now, what you want to do is you want to turn on your Android or your iPhone right here, and then depending on what I say, it might be different for you. So just look where you have all the settings and everything I tell you. Now, what you want to do is turn on your phone, and then the first thing you want to do is you want to do a reset right here. You want to do a reset by just resetting your phone by powering your iPhone off right here. Power your iPhone off, slide to power off right there, and then wait for it to turn off, and then you want to restart it again. That's just giving it a reset so it can reset your hardware in your phone. Now turn it back on right there. Right there. Now wait for it to turn on, and then that should do it. If that doesn't do it, I'll show you more of what you can do. If this didn't work, then try the second method I'm going to be telling you. You want to head over to your settings right here, and then scroll to where it says General right there. Then what you want to do is you want to check if you have any updates right here. If you have any updates, then you want to go ahead and update your smartphone. You see, it says download an update right here. This might work for you. This update might work and give you less storage. I mean more battery, more battery, and less heating up of your software, because sometimes they send you some features that may help improve your battery so that it does not heat up. So just update it and let it update. Now, if that didn't work, you can try the third method right here. If you want to go to the settings general, and scroll all the way to where it says reset, and then you want to reset all the settings. Don't click erase all content in settings. You can reset all your settings, and that should work right here. Click reset, and then it says right here, this will reset all settings. No data or media will be deleted. I do not want to do that right now. So you can do that, and then what you want to do is click reset all settings for you, and that should do it right there. But if the third option I told you did not work, you want to head over to your battery right here. You want to head over to your battery and check your percentage of your house. If it says 100, if it says lower than, if your battery capacity says service, then you have to get it changed, either by a third party provider that knows what they're doing professionally, not those ones that don't do any good work, or you can take it to the Apple Store or your phone's carrier like Verizon, T-Mobile, or AT&T service where you got your phone right here. Then you can say peak performance right there. If your battery health is service, just change it out like I said. Now, I do not recommend that you have low power mode selected over your battery percentage if it's over 20%. If it's over 20%, I do not recommend that you have that on. Now you can scroll down right here, and it will give you all your battery percentages that you have right here that using your apps. If you see an app that's higher than like 30%, you can go ahead and uninstall it, because that is going to be wasting your battery percentage, and your battery is not gonna get warm. It's gonna get warm. It's gonna get warm, and then your battery is gonna be degrading. Right here. I'll show you how to uninstall an app that's wasting your battery percentage. Now you can check right here. It tells you all your data that you want for your battery. Now what I do not advise you to do is I do not advise you to use third party chargers like these ones. I do not recommend that you use third party chargers or a wireless charger right here, because that will heat up your phone and that will degrade the battery, and your phone will heat up to the point where you cannot use it. Don't use third-party chargers like these ones right here. You can use them, but only check if it says made for iPhone. If it doesn't say made for iPhone, then your iPhone will not then this will not work for your iPhone. Always charge your device with the charger provided. Don't use third-party chargers. Use the Apple original charger. It can be the new one, the USB-C to Lightning, or the USB to Lightning. So that's why I do not recommend that you use third-party chargers. Use the original. Right here. Now, what you want to do right here is you want to uninstall an app that you do not need, like this one right there. Remove app. Then you want to delete the app right there. Then delete again. If the app was not working or anything like that, then you can uninstall it right there. Or what you can do, if your phone still heats up after everything that you did, even after you changed the battery on your smartphone, what you need to do is either get a new smartphone, because your phone is probably defective, and then you will have to get a new phone. If your phone is defective, you should just get a new phone and don't worry about the phone right there. Now, the other thing that you can do is you can scroll on the notification bar right here, which is the control center, and then you want to turn off right here. Toggle these off right here because you do not need them. If you have any of these on, like your flashlight, your timer, your calculator, your photos, or your QR code, or your screen recorder, turn those off and have your brightness lowered in 50. Don't have it at 100% because that will always get your battery super hot. Have it at least 50%. And you want to toggle off Bluetooth or Wi-Fi or the data right there if you're using it, because that will degrade the battery even more and more, and that will make it hot if that's on, because it's always scanning for Bluetooth devices around you. So that's why you need to disconnect it if it's not in use. That's it for this video, guys, on how to fix your iPhone or Android if it's heating up or if it's getting warm to the touch where you can't use it anymore. So please like, comment, and subscribe for more how-to videos like these ones.